All right, good morning, trading world. It is March 18, 2021, 10 minutes before 9. I am running behind this morning on my pre-market outlook. We're having a lot of kind of stormy weather where I am. To run through this really quick, the important points that you need to know, watch the bonds, watch the rates. Bonds, they need to hold above 153, we'll say 10 basically, in order for us to continue the rise on the spot. Rates, we need not have a steep push above 1.75 on the 10-year TNX. So that's going to be very important today. The outcomes, things to look forward to today. Let's get into the chart. All right, let's see what we have here. We're at a very important level right here. The first outcome, which is going to hold the highest probability to me. Yesterday, we kind of had some follow through into the close, which kind of showed me there's a little energy left to continue the progress we made up yesterday, because there's a lot of orders on the table above us, so we may be able to go get those today. So we're looking to see if we can hold this level here, 393. If we can hold the 393 area, we definitely take back off to the upside. I'm looking to make sure that we don't close. If we close below here, we have to have that immediate action up, because this right here is actually a big decision level. And closing below here opens up all this down here. So we're looking to see if we can continue to hover at that level. But if we can hold this 393 area, we go and push above the 398 high, 398.6 high of yesterday. Now, the other probability is a downtrend day today, which means that if for some reason we break below this area, we're going to see a retest of maybe yesterday's close of maybe 397. Is probably going to fill that gap back up here to this 397 area somewhere before we see a nice little sell-off. The probability on that, I'm giving 10%. 10% chance of happening. The biggest thing that you're going to have to worry about today is our third outcome. And the third outcome is basically a consolidation period where between 393 and 397, we basically consolidate, trying to get the energy up before we break out. That breakout can either be up or down, but we're going to have to consolidate and get the energy to move forward first. So that can happen either part of the day or all day today. But something to keep an eye on. We are still a decent ways away from either end of the market maker's expected move. The upper end of it is around 401. The lower end of it is around 386. And with the way we have been going lately, we are going to tap one of those ends. So either today or tomorrow or both, there will be a lot of movement coming. So keep an eye on those bonds rates, and the internals will let us know where this breakout is coming, because I truly believe we will touch one end, if not both, because we have a big expiration day coming tomorrow, not just for the weekly, but I think it's a quarterly expiration if I can remember correctly. So that is going to be a big day where I do expect a lot of movement. So we could very well touch both ends just about of the expected move. So be on the lookout for a lot of movement. As always, know your risk. There is no reason to take positions without having a bracket, because things can get out of hand right now. Because there is room above this 401 to keep rising, just like there is a lot more risk to the downside to go a long way down. So in that, again, know your risk, be very careful, and let's have a profitable trading day.